BTC hashrate hits ATH second time in 7 days, difficulty expected to grow 9%. The hashrate for Bitcoin increased to a new all-time high on Jan. 12 before retracing to its current value. The hashrate is the measure of how much computing power is being used to mine Bitcoin. The increase in hashrate means that more people are mining Bitcoin. This is expected to lead to a 9% rise in mining difficulty according to ByteDraw. Crypto lenders who moonlight as miners are repossessing machines for their own benefit, Bloomberg News reported on Jan. 12. With several Bitcoin miners using their mining rigs as collateral for over $4 billion in debt, crypto lenders are seizing the opportunity to venture into crypto mining.